Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install macOS Sequoia on any Windows PC. Firstly, download all required tools, which are macOS Sequoia installer, DMG or ISO file. Open Core EFI folder, Balena Etcher, Mini Tool Partition Wizard and Explorer++. These will all be used in the following steps. Download and install Balena Etcher, a simple flashing utility that allows you to write macOS installer images to a USB drive. Insert your USB drive and open Balena Etcher. Click the icon, flash, then flash the from file and select your download Sequoia installer file. Choose your USB drive as the target and click flash to begin creating a bootable drive. Now this process may take about 20 to 30 minutes. After the bootable drive is created, open Mini Tool Partition Wizard and locate your USB drive. Right-click on the EFI partition, choose Change Letter and assign any letter, then click Apply Changes. Now extract Explorer++ with WinRAR and run Explorer++ as an administrator. In there, open your USB drive's UEFI partition and delete all existing files inside it. Then open the OpenCore EFI folder you downloaded and copy its content into the USB EFI partition. Now, open Disk Management, right-click on your main drive, then select Shrink Volume. Enter at least 50 GB of macOS, then click Shrink. Right-click on the new unallocated space and select New Simple Volume and assign it a name. Now restart your PC, enter your BIOS, pressing F2, F12 for delete, then change boot priority to boot from USB flash drive. Save the changes and exit. Now your PC should boot into the macOS Sequoia installer via OpenCore. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.